Hi. Want to open your basket? Hey,
Want to open your basket?
Angie.
Here, look. Here, Noel, come on and help Angie.
Check out Andy's stuff too.
Come on and help Angie. They're a little itchy?
Yeah, it's a little itchy.
That's all right. You can wear a shirt under it.
Andy, I'm helping you. Andy got rainbow fish. Nah. What's the real one for?
Just give me the
Andy
paper.
got a little bunny with an Easter egg.
Aww.
Aw.
Little meatballs.
Yeah.
She got little
No, I've got it. Costume. Well, let her see it.
Angie, check it out. Oh boy.
Good girl, Noella.
Andy, look.
It's the simple things with
No, to
Angie.
throw it.
That's cool. I like those.
I'm going to show Andy what else we got. A pan, a man.
She goes for the goldfish. Goes for food.
Aw, look what you got. A little
Aw,
girl.
I love that. That's pretty.
What's that, Angie?
Wow. Look at this. This might fit
You
me.
want that open, don't you?
Mom, does this fit me?
Well,
No.
We'll get you a new one if you need a new one. You have one. That's just the best to wear in the pool. Keep Angie safe.
But
Okay.
I don't have a pink one. Pink is my favorite
Well,
color.
we'll check it out when we go to the store one day.
Oh, say hi.
Why are you hiding, Billy? Come here, go see Eddie. What's that? What's that?
What's that, Angie?
You look so pretty in your dress up
Peppa
clothes.
Pig it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah. Somebody bring you.
That's really cute.
Aw. Is that doggy?
Tiggy. Tiggy. Noella. Don't be grumpy.
Well, if you put a shirt on underneath it, won't it? No,
Angie.
the shirt will be underneath it.
Angie.
Yeah, if you wear something under it, it won't go on your
Put
skin.
your top on and then it won't go on your skin.
That's why
I
it's itchy.
don't know where my other dress of clothing went.
I don't know, I thought it was great.
I don't really know this age having bomb is bio
Angie.
where the crowns
Ricky, look.
are.
Oh, look at the squirrel outside.
Oh, there he goes.
There he goes.
There he goes, and
Noella, can you bring that toy over here? With the slidey things? Right in front of you. The blue and yellow. Right in front of you.
yeah, right there, that one.
What is this? What is this string?
Yeah, the string's
So you can pull it.
Okay.